Now we are going to discuss this problem. In this problem, the number of elements in the set X equal to 17 and the number of elements in this set is 17. Another set is Y. This set Y has the number of elements 23. X union Y, this will be the complete one, and this one will have the total number of elements 38. Now we have to find the number of elements in the set X intersection Y. We have to calculate the total number of elements in this. This one is the X intersection Y, and we have to calculate the number of elements in this. The number of elements in the set X union Y equals to 38. The total number of elements in X union Y will be equal to the total number of elements in the set X plus total number of elements in the set Y. But what you can observe, this part has counted twice, and hence from the sum of the total number of elements of X and number of elements in Y, this part will be subtracted to get the total number of elements of X union Y. Hence we can write number of elements of X union Y will be equal to number of elements in set X plus number of elements in the set Y minus number of elements in common part of set X and Y. That means it will be X intersection Y. As the total number of elements in X union Y is 38, this will be equal to number of elements in the set X is 17 plus number of elements in the set Y will be equal to 23 minus number of elements in the set X intersection Y. From very basic calculation, you can get the number of elements in the set X intersection Y will be equal to 2. Right? Now consider a set H which contains the people who can speak Hindi, and in this set the number of people will be equal to 250, and hence in this set the number of elements will be equal to 250. Now consider another set which is denoted by E, and in this set those people are there who are speaking English, and hence the number of elements in the set E will be equal to 200. Now as we can see that there are 400 people. Out of these 400 people, some are speaking Hindi, some are speaking English, and some can speak both language, right? And hence total number of people who can speak Hindi or English will be equal to definitely 400. That means the number of elements in H union E will be equal to 400. We have to find the number of elements in the set which contains the people who are speaking both Hindi and English. That means this is the set H intersection E, and hence we have to find the total number of elements in the set H intersection E. This quantity we have to find out. In the previous problem, we have discussed that this H union E will be equal to number of elements in the set H plus number of elements in the set E minus number of elements in the set H intersection E, and hence from this equation we can find the value of number of elements in H intersection E. That means we can put this value which will equal to 250, put this value which equals to 200, and from very basic calculation we can get the value of an H intersection E. This value is given by 450 minus 400, because you have to put this value 250 here, 200 here. That means these two value will become 450, and from very basic calculation you can get the value of number of elements in H intersection E will be equal to 450 minus 400, which will come out 50. This one is the total number of people who are speaking both Hindi and English.